Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete our reposts at once on TikTok. Alright, so let's with the video. So at the time of recording is not actually a feature within TikTok to actually delete all your reposts at once. So if you actually want to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up TikTok on your device. Come across to your profile page by pressing the profile button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Then, if you come up to the top right-hand corner and press onto the three lines, and from the pop-up menu, you want to go ahead and press on to Settings and Privacy. In here, what you want to do is come to the Support section. So Support and About and press on to report a problem. Then on the next screen, you just want to go ahead and select any topic. It doesn't really matter which one and press on any topic. And once you've clicked onto the topic, what you're going to want to do is scroll to the bottom of the screen, and where it says, "Is your problem resolved?" go ahead and press the thumbs down no button. After you've done this, it's going to come up. So you need more help. Go ahead and give this a press. You can see that's here at the bottom of the screen. And what it's going to do is take you across to the TikTok help desk. Now in here you want to send a message basically saying that you want to delete or repost at once. So what I've done, I've just, "Hi, please, can you help me to delete all my reposts? Thanks." So what it's done is basically sent a message back saying, "Hi. Thanks for your feedback. We'll note your feedback for removing reposts in bulk as we continue to improve this experience." Now, if you want to remove one, repost your video, or remove your repost one by one, what you can do, and it's going to give you the steps on how to do this. So what you can do is follow this guide on how to remove your reposted video. So you can do this one by one. As you can see from this message, it says, "We'll note your feedback for removing repost in bulk as we continue to improve this experience." So of course, at the time of recording, this is something they're looking into. But at the moment, if you do want to delete or repost it once on TikTok, what you need to do is go through and remove them one by following the guides that comes back from here. So that's basically how you can delete our reposts at once on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.